Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download Summertime Saga on iOS. So let's get right into it. First of all guys, we have to go on Google Chrome and here we have to search for injectapp.org. Once you reach to this website, here you have to search for Summertime Saga and then you have to select. When you see this type of window over the screen, you have to hit on Start Injection. Once you will start injection, then your Summertime Saga will be start download into your mobile and it will show same as other apps in your phone screen. So that's it guys, how to download Summertime Saga on iOS. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.